you all, my dear students. Today I am going to tell you about class 8 compound interest chapter number 5. Before starting exercise 5.1, we should know some basic formula like amount. Formula of amount is principal bracket start 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power n, where p stands for principal, r stands for rate per percent, and n stands for number of years which is given to you. Second formula is the compound interest. You should know that the compound interest can be calculated when you subtract amount with the principal. Simple interest, you know the formula, simple interest equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. So with knowing all this formula, we can easily be able to solve the questions. So let's start with question number 1. Here it is given principal is rupees 6,000, rate is 15% and time is 2 years. So we need to calculate the amount. So we will put the formula that the formula of amount is P 1 plus rate percent whole divided by 100 whole to the power n. So now we will substitute the value. Principal is 6,000. 1 plus rate is given as 15 upon 100 whole to the power time is given as 2 years. Now you know that 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are 0. So now let's go ahead. 6,000, here it is nothing means 1. So the LCM of 20 and 1 will be 20. So that will become 20 ones are 20 and 3 ones are 3 whole square. Now let us solve further a part of this. So amount will be equals to 6,000. 20 plus 3 is 23 upon 20 whole square. Next is 6,000 into, now what is the square of 23? The square of 23 is 529. So we'll substitute the value. The square of 23 is 529 and the square of 20 is 400. So now 0 0 we are going to be cancelled with 0 0. Now 4 ones are 4, carry forward 2, 4 5s are 20. So we will get the amount when we will multiply 15 with 529. After multiplying 15 with 529, we are getting 7,935. So the required amount is 7,935. Now let's start with question number 2. Now the principal is given as 2,500, rate is given as 12% and the time is given as 3 years. They are asking us to find out the amount. Again, we know the formula of amount is principal 1 plus rate upon 100 whole to the power n. So now we'll substitute the value. The principal is given to us as 2,500. 1 plus rate is given to us 12% upon 100 whole to the power n. Time is for 3 years. Then we can go ahead with 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10, 2 zeros are 0. Then again we can go ahead 2 3 are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So finally after cancellation we are getting 2,500 1 by 1 plus 3 by 25 whole cube. Now we can go ahead by taking its LCM. So the amount will be equals to 2,500 and the LCM will be 25. So 25 ones are 25 plus 3 ones are 3, the whole cube. So let us go ahead with then 2,500 into 25 plus 3 is 28 upon 25 whole cube. Now let's calculate this. So this will become 2,500 into 28 into 28 into 28 divided by 25 into 25 into 25. Now we can cancel this 25, 25 ones are 2500. Now you know that 25 how much is 100? 25 fours are 100. So now next the remaining calculation is amount equals to 4 into, now let's do the cube of 28. Now the cube of 28 you can see from the back table of your book. It is given 21,952 whole divided by the term remaining is 25. Now let us do the product into 4. How much it is? It is 87,808. Now we need to divide it with 25 and we need to tell the value correct to 2 place of decimal. So after dividing it with 25 we are getting the final answer as 3,512 rupees and 32 paise, correct to 2 place of decimal. Now let's start with question number 3. Here it is given that principal is rupees 2000, the time is given as 3 years, and the rate is 12 by 2%, which you can also be write as 12 to the 24 plus 1 is 25 by 2%. The question is asking you find out the amount. Again, you know that the formula of amount is principal 1 plus rate by 100 whole to the power n. Now, you know that 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So let's go ahead then. 2000 1 by 1 plus 1 by 4 to the 8 ka whole cube. So this will become, that will be equals to 2000, and the LCM of 8 and 1 is 8. 8 ones are 8, 1 ones are 1 whole cube. Now let's solve ahead. The amount will be equals to 2000 into 8 plus 1 is 9 by 8 ka whole cube. Now 2000 into 9, the cube of 9 is 729 upon 8 into 8 into 8. Let us go ahead. Yes, now we can cancel with 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 5s are 40, 8 zeros are 0. Now again we can go ahead with 2, 2 4s are 8, and then 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, carry forward, and 2 5s are 10. Now further we cannot cancel, so we will write down this 125 into 729 upon, we are getting 8 4s are 32. Now let's go ahead. So let us multiply with 125 and 729. So after multiplying 125 with 729, we are getting 91,125. Now as we divide it with 32, we need correct two place of decimal to get the answer, and that is rupees amount equals to rupees 2847 point, correct to three places 656, but if we want correct to two place, this 6 is going to round off this 5, and correct to two place of decimal will become 2847.66 paise. Now let's start with question number 4. Principal is given as 4000, time is 2 years, rate is 13%. They are asking you find the compound interest. Before finding compound interest, we should know what is the amount. So the formula of amount is principal 1 plus rate by 100 whole to the power n. So here if it is nothing means 1. Now let us take the LCM for the next step. It will become 4000. The LCM will be 100. 100 ones are 100, 13 ones are 13 whole square. So that will become 4000 into 100 plus 13 is 113 by 100 whole square. Now let's go ahead with that. Amount equals to 4000 into 113 into 113 whole divided by 100 into 100. Now this 20 is going to be cancelled, and again this 10 is going to be cancelled. Now let's leave this 10 like that only, so that division can become easy. Now we need to multiply 4 with the square of 113 and divide it with 10. So the square of 113 is 12,769. Now we need to multiply it with 4. After multiplying with 4, we are getting the answer as 51,076 divided by 10. So now let us divide by 10. Dividing by 10 is an easy part because it will bring one place of decimal, and the answer will become 5107.60 paisa. Now next, the question is asking to find out the CI. CI means compound interest. You know that the formula of CI is amount minus principal. So let's do that. This will become 0 rupees. This will become 60 paisa, 7011. So the compound interest is 1107 rupees and 60 paise. Now let's solve question number 5, that is given. Principal is 12,500, time is 3 years, and rate is 10%. They are asking you find out the compound interest. Before telling the compound interest, first we should know what is amount. Again the formula is principal 1 plus rate by 100 whole to the power n. So this 0 is going to be cancelled. Here it is nothing means 1. So next step we will take the LCM 12,500, and the LCM will be 10. 10 ones are 10, 1 ones are 1 whole cube. So finally it will become 12,500 into 10 plus 1 is 11 by 10 ka whole cube. Now let's go ahead with this. Amount equals to 12,500 into the cube of 11 is 1331 upon the cube of 10 is, you know that it is 1000, so 20 will get cancelled because division by 10 is an easy task. At last we will put a decimal to get the answer. Now I will multiply 125 with 1331. So after multiplying with 125 with 1331 we are getting 16,000, 63,000. We are getting 1,66,375 divided by 10. Again division by 10 is an easy task. One place of decimal we will shift and this the answer of amount will become 16,637 rupees and 50 paise. Now this is the amount and we want to know the CI. CI is compound interest. So we will subtract the amount with principal. The principal is 12,500 and 00 paise. So let us subtract and so that we can get the CI. 50 paisa will be 50 paisa only. 7 minus 0 is 7, 3 minus 0 is 3, 6 minus 5 is 1, 6 minus 2 is 4. So the required compound interest is 4,137 rupees and 50 paise.